Isithu sabaningi inkulumo kaSboniso Duma emva kokuthi athi uNdunankulu waKwaZulu uThulasizwe Buthelezi bengesiyo ingxenye yomcimbi obukaCeza. Isithu sabaningi ukuthi kanjani ngoba uNdunankulu uye umlomo wesilo, uye okumele athule isilo. Uthini owakho umbono?
P has already issued a statement distancing itself from what you are saying, and that is 10 ANC members or supporters who were injured badly on the back of being beaten by IFP members or supporters. Your reaction to what the IFP is saying, because what they're saying is that this is an act of provocation on your part when you have no proof of what you are saying.
Let me just first give you the contextual framework of the program. In the program, Thulasizwe Buthelezi was not going to be part and parcel of that program. But let me just give you a flashback. There was an event of Amakano at Imachobo almost a month ago, where Mr. Thulasizwe Buthelezi, without being provoked, named the name of Mr. Zwakele Mngwangu, who's an activist in terms of politics of the province of KwaZulu. He also led the organization. He said he has done 1, 2, 3, which was bad. In the last sitting of our legislature, when it was opening, the first day when we were to grace the presence of Isilo, Thulasizwe knew, because he understands the convention. He came into legislature, he crossed the path in the place where he doesn't supposed to even walk, which was bizarre for us because he has been in the legislature in the past. In that legislature, he then also spoken badly ill of one of our members, Comrade Phumlile Zulu, and male comrade who were there, just dealt with that situation. So we thought it would be unfair for someone who's been given this assignment not to adhere to the principle and the framework of working together, because where we are seated, I think he is quaint with a serious understanding of power. He does not understand the protocol. I didn't give him the platform yesterday. He just stole the platform. Because we had to be diplomatic, we had to be understanding of that event. We have to relax a bit. Unfortunately, proceeded 5 pages of a speech. We had to stop him because it was not passed. We thought that at least he was going to introduce His Majesty. Then he didn't do that.